Example 1, adding and subtracting complex numbers. Perform the indicated operations, writing the result in standard form. Let's look at example part A. 5 minus 11i plus 7 plus 4i. We need to separate the real part out first to make that 5 plus 7. And now we separate the complex part. So from here we can simplify even further, and we can bring down the 12. Negative 11 plus 4 is negative 7, and then bring down the I. And here we have our solution, and this is the real part, and then this is the imaginary part. Now let's take a look at subtraction. Subtraction is going to work pretty much the same way. We separate the real parts and the imaginary parts. The only tricky part here is the negative, so we have to make sure we change our signs. So we have negative 5 minus negative 11, which would become plus 11. And then 7i minus negative 6i, which would become plus 6i. So this part becomes 6, and then this part becomes 13i. And now we can see that this is the real part, and this is the imaginary part.